Ask any racer, any real racer.
Why was 1970s and 1980s motocross cooler than today? 70s and 80s motocross was cooler because they rode 500 two-strokes, wore open-face helmets, and everybody had a nickname. Mark the Bomber Barnett, Bob Hurricane Hanna, Ron the Dogger Lachine, Rocket Rex Staten. They wore open-face helmets and cowboy boots, smoked Marlboro Reds on the starting line. They drove box vans to the races, and their girlfriends held their pit boards for them. And there's that one time I got in cycle news with the trophy girl.